Hi there. This is a song by, is it too much? Hi, this is a song by Jonathan Richman called I'm a Little Airplane.
Is it too much?
What? Can you sing along?
Yeah, I think we can sing along.
I feel like we'd like some audience encouragement as if we were little children.
Who's been on an airplane, everyone?
Me!
My mum has.
Me, yeah. What does an airplane look like? You do it? Yeah.
Alright.
So I want to see some airplane wings. I want to hear some singing along if you can. Very easy lyrics, even for children like you. Alright, this was called I'm a Little Airplane. And just pretend you're an airplane the whole time. I'm a little airplane, meow. I'm a little airplane, meow, meow, yeah. I'm a little airplane, meow. I'm a little airplane, meow, meow, yeah. Wangity wang, wangity wang. I'm a little airplane. I'm a little airplane, meow. I'm a little airplane, meow, meow, yeah. I'm a little airplane, meow. I'm a little airplane, meow, meow, yeah. Wangity wang, wangity wang. I'm a little airplane. High in the sky. Yeah, see me fly. Yeah, late at night I take flight. Oh, wangity wang, wangity wang. I'm a little airplane. I'm a little airplane, yeah. I'm a little airplane, yeah, yeah, yeah. I'm a little airplane, yeah. I'm a little airplane, yeah, yeah, yeah. Wangity wang, wangity wang. I'm a little airplane.